Question 58. Consider the following statements. Ballistic missiles are jet propelled at subsonic speeds throughout their flights, while cruise missiles are rocket powered only in the initial phases of flight. Agni 5 is a medium range supersonic cruise missile, while BrahMos is a solid fueled intercontinental ballistic missile. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Sorry. So I have given the source to this question as a Hindu article. I'll open up the article 1 second. So this is the article. It says India test fires Agni 5 ballistic missile having range of 5,000 kilometers. The development comes amid lingering border row with China. So it's an article. It was published on December 16, 2022 during our preparation phase. So in this article, it mentions about Agni 5 and all the properties of Agni 5, and then it also mentioned about BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, an extended version of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, and there are other information also in this article. But if you these are enough to answer our question. If you know what is a ballistic missile, if you know the basics of ballistic missile, it's a type of missile that uses projectile motion to deliver warhead. So once it is put into orbit, then it follows a projectile motion. So in physics, you know how to calculate the projectile motion, right? It goes and hits the target as a projectile. So if you know that basic information, you could answer the question easily. I'll just take up the question. So it says ballistic missiles are jet propelled at subsonic speeds throughout their flights. No, that is not how ballistic missile works. It just goes into orbit. It powers through and goes into the orbit and falls as a projectile. So it's not powered throughout their flight. And cruise missile are rocket powered only in the initial phase of flight. So it is reversed. These things are reversed. So this is wrong. Agni 5 is a medium range supersonic cruise missile. So as you can see, Agni 5 and BrahMos is mentioned here. And BrahMos is a solid fueled intercontinental ballistic missile. No, BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile. So this option is also wrong. So 1 and 2 are wrong, and those two can be easily answered using this Hindu newspaper article. So that is question 58, an easy one. Let's move to next question.